Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main hair. So we're going to dive into this DIY braid boho hairstyle, okay? And we're going to be Hey y'all, so today I'm collaborating with EayonHair and I am showing off the final look first, just so you guys can see how beautiful this hairstyle turned out. I'm so excited to share with you how I installed this process. So my setup at my house, I sat in the bathroom, you guys, and I have a long full body mirror that I put behind me because I needed a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me. So that is how I was able to get my parting space. Eayon did send me 3 bundles of hair. It is their double drawn bulk human braiding hair in loose deep wave. It is 16 inches, all 3 bundles. And the price on their website for that is, which is $174, but they always have some type of coupon code running. Currently right now they have Halloween 13, but if there is a coupon code attached to my name, I will have it in the description box below. So after I got the desired part for my box, I did go in with some edge control just to flatten it out, and then I also added a little bit of mousse. I felt like the mousse would just hold the braid more in place, you know, once it dried and everything. So I had already put out 3 pieces of braiding hair. For the braiding hair, I have 16 inches. The link is listed below in my Amazon storefront for the pack of hair that I use. It wasn't like a specific brand. I just bought some hair from Amazon. And I didn't even use that many packs. It came with like 8 packs of braiding hair. And I want to say I used about 3 total for my entire head. But I pre-sectioned the hair off on my lap and I installed 3 pieces of braiding hair at the bottom. But once I got to the top, because you know your hair length is different, at the top I started adding in 4 pieces of braiding hair. So this is just me installing the braiding hair. It honestly wasn't hard. I've been doing it for a while now, so if you're a DIY girly, I feel like this shouldn't be too much of a difficulty. And then I installed about 8 pieces of Eayon's hair to get the curly goddess look because I wanted it to be really full. I saw on other people's like TikTok videos when they would install the hair, sometimes they add about like 10 to 15 pieces. I just wasn't sure if I had enough hair for that. So I was like, okay, let me just try to do like 8 pieces per braid. And that gave me the fullness that I was desiring.
Anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. You may tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can say, ride the whip. themes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate.
As you guys can see, I am stalling in the curly pieces almost like in an upward way so I can grip the bottom part and try to blend it in with the braid. And then I'm using a clip to clip it down so it won't get in the way. Sometimes there were like little flyaways, or you know, that once I got to the bottom of the curly piece, you can kind of see it through the braid. You can always just cut those off. I personally just ignored them because I figured that the curly hair would just cover it up anyway. And then that was pretty much it. I will say, to maintain this hairstyle, I didn't put any product in it. I don't really believe in putting in product in your hair the second you're wearing it. So far, it hasn't tangled. There were a couple pieces that I might have like combed out and I just lightly sprayed with water. But I've seen other people taking care of their hair by using like a leave-in conditioner and some water. You can also add a mousse. It's almost like as if you're taking care of a curly wig. So think of that when you're thinking of this hair. That way you can just have longevity with it. The sole purpose of me having it is for vacation. I really don't want to get in the water with it, but if I have to, I will. But other than that, you guys, it was a little bit of a process for me because I was doing it by myself, making sure the parts were nice and neat. So once I was completely finished, I took those curly pieces and I pinned them up with a clip, and the actual braids themselves, I did use like flexi rods to curl them, and honestly, they did not curl the greatest. So I went back and re-curled them the next day with perm rods. So I highly recommend using perm rods if you want to use to curl braiding hair. I put them in hot water, slept with them overnight, and they came out perfect the next day. But other than that, like overall, I love the hair. I love it. I love this hairstyle. I've gotten so many compliments so far. I've sent pictures to my mom, my best friend, my sister, and my husband. Like, everyone loves it. So I'm excited to continue to wear this. I do have like a short tutorial on it on my TikTok and my Instagram. So make sure you guys follow me there as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Be sure to continue to watch this video so you guys can see how I am wearing the hairstyle, because there's so many different ways that you can wear it, and you can see how it looks with, like, you know, a full face of makeup and a cute outfit on. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.